a cable, because I have to power this baby up, and I'm hoping this actually fits my Seasonic 1600 watt power supply. It's a 12-pin PCI Express 5.0, I believe. Actually, let's see what it says. Yeah, it doesn't really say much of it. Is that a third RTX GeForce RTX 5080? Which one has the actual card? Because two of those boxes are empty. Which one do you think? Middle, left, or right? Let's find out. It's the middle one. There it is. GeForce RTX 5080. How long does it do? Okay, so I'm back, and don't know if you can see, but let's get a little closer, shall we? To three RTX 5080s Founders Edition. Make it free. You can see them, but there they are. I had to squeeze that PCI Express expansion card in there. It is tight, but it works. It fits. I'm gonna squeeze one more up there. There it is. 3 RTX GeForce 5080s. 2-slot designs. That's why I could fit 3 of those in there. Most of the 5080s are 3.5 slots. There you go, folks. Yes, they do run at PCI Express 4.0, but they are PCI Express 5.0 graphics cards. Share with you guys. Well, I'm catching DaVinci
Resolve. You can say it, right?
Microphone. Oops, let's put this over here. So I'm catching some DaVinci Resolve. I'm catching some files, which to help my 4K video playback smoothly. And at the moment, I am drawing 1100 watts power.
Alright guys, so basically 3 GPUs and the CPU equals 1100 watts.
Yes, they are PCI Express 5.0 graphics cards for future use, since all motherboards are coming out with PCI Express 5.0. So I'll be all set as far as that's concerned.
Sweating like a pig.
Alright guys, so, hold on a second.
Let's get my voice back to normal here. So basically, I had, my 3 graphics cards in there. I was catching files in DaVinci Resolve, which I do often. Thank you. And each card was drawing about 320 watts. 300 average. It was about 300 average.
And there.
Plus my THREADRIPPER Pro 5975 WX was drawing about 200 watts. So it was about 1150 watts. So it was up there.
And those graphic cards.
But anyways, wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you for listening.
So like I said, I have 3 RTX 5080s in there. Working hard. All right, there it is. Catching some files. Been doing it for a while. I have a long timeline. Very long timeline. All right.